In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset domain settings in Hostinger. If your domain isn't pointing correctly, your website is not loading the way it should, or you've made DNS changes and want to start fresh, resetting the DNS records can be a quick way to return everything to the default setup. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that option inside Hostinger and what to expect during the process. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're in the main control area where all your hosting and domain tools are visible. This is where you'll be able to manage the settings connected to your domain. Next, click on the Domains section. This will take you to the area where all domains connected to your account are listed. Look through the list and find the specific domain you want to reset. It's important to choose the correct one, especially if you manage more than one domain in the same account. When you find the right domain, click Manage. This opens the control panel for that particular domain where you can adjust settings related to DNS, name servers, and other domain features. From here, you'll want to click on DNS. This is the section where your domain's DNS records are stored, including things like A records, CNAME records, MX records, and other entries that control how your domain connects to websites and services. Once you're in the DNS area, scroll all the way down the page until you see the option to reset DNS records. This option is usually placed lower on the page because it affects the full DNS configuration. When you click Reset DNS Records, Hostinger will typically show you a confirmation prompt. Read the message carefully so you understand what will happen before continuing. After that, simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete the reset. The platform will guide you through the final confirmation steps. Keep in mind that resetting DNS records may remove any custom records you added before. So if you were using custom email, third-party verification records, or special subdomain settings, you may need to set those up again afterward. Once the reset is complete, give the changes some time to update. DNS changes are not always instant, and in some cases, propagation can take a while. If needed, refresh the page and review the DNS section again to confirm the reset was applied successfully. And that's how to reset domain settings in Hostinger.